Healthiest team, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pie, ring donuts, samosa, spring roll, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices. You can contact us with the information on your screen. Today we will be making the healthiest and most versatile natural seasoning combo to flavor your soups and stews. It is used to enhance the taste of food or meals. The ingredients for today's recipe are ginger, onions, and garlic. Let's make our powerful seasoning combo. Peel, wash and cut the onions, ginger and garlic and put them in a bowl. Add some water and wash the ginger, garlic and onions thoroughly. Put the ginger, onions and garlic in the blender and add some water to it. Then blend the ginger, onions and garlic together. After blending them, pour it into a bowl. To store the ginger, garlic and onion paste, use a ladle to fetch the paste into a plain rubber end. Tie the tip of the rubber. Now store it in the freezer and you can use it to season your cow meat, wile, fresh catfish, smoked salmon, tolo beef, cow knee, beef tripe, or chicken for your soups and stews. This is a very tasteful way to season your meat and fish for all your meals. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more spectacular videos. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.